Hello everyone. Let's read and write CVC words. Are you ready? Let's go. Now we have 4 pictures here. We have a picture of mat, sat, sun, dad. Now we're going to write the words. Let's write the word mat. Mat. At. Mat. Now let's write the word sat. Sat. S. A. T. Sat. Sat. Sun. Sun. S. A. N. S. A. N. Sun. Dad. Dad. D. A. D. D. A. D. Dad. Well done everyone. Let's write some more words. Alright, we have more pictures over here. We have a picture of a man. Pan. Tap. Pin. Now let's write the word man. Man. A. N. A. N. Man. Pan. Pan. P. A. N. P. A. N. Pan. Tap. Tap. T. A. P. T. A. P. Tap. Pin. Pin. P. I. N. P. I. N. Pin. Great work. Well done. We wrote the word man, pan, tap, pin. Now let's write the words map, dig, dog, pot. First word we're going to write is map. Map. M. A. P. M. A. P. Map. Dig. Dig. D. I. G. D. I. G. Dig. Dog. Dog. D. O. G. D. O. G. Dog. Pot. Pot. P. O. T. P. O. T. Pot. Well done everyone. Fantastic reading and writing. Great work. Hello parents, please visit my Etsy store where you will find many handmade phonics resources that will help your child with their reading and writing skills. These resources has helped my class to become fluent readers, and it will guarantee to help your child too. I will leave a link in description. Thank you.